Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, guys. I had to try this recipe. Right here I have flatbreads. These flatbreads you can make it like chapati, like normal flatbread, just flour, salt and a little bit of oil. Then you make your dough and make it dry. You don't add oil. Then you have your minced meat with red sauce inside like that, and you have the meal here. So you are going to align them on the plate and start adding the minced beef on it like this, one after the other. So what you do, you just fold it and then you try to put at the edges the sauce and align them on the plate or anywhere or whenever you will use to cook to make it. Okay, so after that you'll continue you'll continue the process until you finish. You can make this as much as you want. For me, I made only 10 breads, 10 flat breads. This is just like chapati, but I didn't add oil, but it is super delicious. Okay, so we'll add this, continue the process and finish it, and it will be ready to serve. To be honest, I don't know what's the name of this food, what is the name of this meal, but I just saw somewhere this recipe and I told myself I have to try it. Now I am sharing it with you guys. Okay, so this is the last one and we have this. It is so good, it smells so nice. Tell me if you can try this. This is good. My husband is the one filming and he can't wait because he's salivating. He is salivating. So he is here. He's the one cutting the. So you cut this into four pieces, just like pizza, and you'll serve this with anything, with any drink you want. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, comment and share. Tell me what you think about this video, and I will see you next time, inshallah. Bye. Continue subscribing, liking, comment and share. Tell me what you think, guys. We are here, we are cutting, so it will be easy. So I'm gonna show you how you eat. I'm gonna eat this with fork, which is very simple. For me, I prefer my hand, but I will let my husband show you. Here he's eating. That's how you make it. You see? This is how you eat it and you're good to go. It is very delicious.